Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the missing enter key when typing, especially when using Instagram. Let's start with the first method. 1. Turn off Auto-Correct and Predictive Text. One of the most common reasons for the enter key not showing on Instagram, Gboard, is interference from keyboard settings. Go to your phone's settings, then tap General, or System, depending on your device, and select Gboard. Now turn off Autocorrect and Predictive Text. After doing this, go back to Instagram and check if the Enter or Return key has reappeared while typing. 2. It's usually due to a layout glitch or the way Instagram configures input fields like comments or bios. To fix this, first try tapping the 1, 2, 3 or ABC key on your keyboard to switch modes, as this often brings back the Enter key. Change your keyboard layout or app. If you're still facing the issue, try switching your keyboard layout. Some layouts replace the Enter key with the Send button on Instagram. Open keyboard settings and change to a different layout, or try a different keyboard app like Gboard or SwiftKey. This can often restore the missing Enter key on Android or iPhone. Once done, return to Instagram and check if the key is now visible. 3. Update the Instagram app. Sometimes a bug in the Instagram app causes the Enter key to disappear. Open your App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android and check for updates. If an update is available, install it and then reopen Instagram. This step is essential for fixing any Instagram keyboard issues on mobile. With these steps, you should now know how to fix the missing Enter key when typing on Instagram or other apps. These fixes work across most devices and resolve problems like return key not showing on mobile keyboard. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.